Hello everyone, I am Arpita Bhatted from class 10. Welcome to our YouTube channel Born Brilliant. Just now we have interacted with our many students that about reopening of the school, their views and their concepts. Now we are really feeling to interact with our principal sir, Dr. Praful Adagale, about what are their views and expectations about reopening of the school.
Okay, thank you, Arpita. It's really nice to hear the views of the students. When we have listened to them on the YouTube and they have given their own, bites and opinions on this. So let me tell my opinion as a principal and head of the institution. Our teachers, including our management, today had done the, welcome. We were not able to do the grand welcome due to the rules and norms that have come from the education department. But reopening of the school and day one has been very exciting for all. It's the same feeling at both the ends. It's a saying that the grass is green on the other side of the lane, but here it's altogether different. Both of us were excited, the students as well, the teachers and the management. Our administrative director, Mrs. Priyadarshini Bhosle from the management, had come to interact with the students. She motivated the students, and including me and my teachers. The first lecture was there to motivate and interact the students. So it was really very nice to be with the students, and we hope that this continues, and that's all.
As we are the students, we want to know that what are your plans and preparations about reopening of the schools and what you did for it.
Okay, see, your question is regarding the plans and strategies. So let me tell you, as the school and as the head of the institution, our teachers and all the ancillary staff, non-teaching, teaching, all have taken a lot of efforts. We, as I said, that there was a lot of enthusiasm amongst us to start the school today. Early morning, by 6 the teachers were in the school to have the preparations done. And the further plans, if you ask and would like to know, I would like to say that our priority is to ensure that this gap which has been there for almost a year has to be filled. Of course, it's going to take a lot of time, because the learning abilities of the students are completely different. Each one is unique, and that is what we have to fill. Okay, so the very basics is about making them disciplined, making them more comfortable. This is what has been done. That's our agenda. Reading, a lot of exercises has to be taken, so their mental ability has to be increased, which we teachers are planning, and also the examinations are there in the coming days. The priority is 10th standard. Okay, we have to be very firm with that. So that's what I would like to say.
Yes, sir. Many of the students are not able to come to the school due to some their personal issues. So for them, that they should not lack their education and learning, what you have done?
Okay, see, all the schools in this pandemic crisis have tried to remain updated with the technology. So does Brilliant Academy English Medium School. Our management has taken a firm stand to ensure that no learning deficit or a gap remains amongst the students, although they are home. So we are using the Next Learning module and the app, through which there are live recorded features. And let me tell you that today also, when the physical interaction of the students were there physically in the school, and those students who couldn't make up due to any reasons, it could be that there could be still the fear amongst them, or they are not well, or there could be any reasons that they are out of station. Still, the live lecture features enables the students to be at home and listen to what the teacher is interacting in the school or in the classroom. Okay, and they are also there to clear the doubts. The live sharing of the screen is done using the smart board. So all these features are enabling the students to learn, and no one is deprived from the education due to this. We are trying our best with that.
Yes, sir. Means you have did many good changes, and probably it's very nice for all the students who are at home and who are in the school. Now, sir, what's your message for students and the parents?
Okay, so for students and parents, the message is common. For students, it will be a little motivating, but for parents, I would like to say that both of them have to ensure that they trust the school. They trust the school, they trust the teachers, they trust the management, the way we are running the school, and let's keep the fingers crossed that all the things get well, and we are able to fill this gap. The parents have been real educators while in this pandemic crisis. We always say that in Marathi we say पालकच खरे शिक्षक आहेत या कोरोनाच्या प्रादुर्भावात, and they have really been doing well. they have really taken a lot of efforts for the students, and now it's our turn as well to physically show them digitally, online. All the teachers have taken the best what they can. So for the students, I would like to say that they must trust in the school, the teaching faculties, and most important, the school administration. We are there with them. Okay, we are going to ensure that all the safety and precautionary measures are being taken. Okay, proper sanitization and all the measures pre and post schoolings and after lectures are being taken, and students are being given proper guidance about the same. Parents are briefed about the same, and I wish all the very best to my students, and really appreciate that the parents in large number have taken the initiative. They have really supported us in this pandemic crisis, and they have sent their students to the school. So the attendance was pretty good this on this very first day. So my best wishes to all of you, and God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, to interact with us and also to get know the views and plans about you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.